Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how we can draw this soft pastel drawing. So I've been thinking about doing something new for a while. So after a gap I decided to try my soft pastels after a long time, and the process is a bit different this time. I'll be testing out the soft pastels on various papers. This time the paper I used is handmade paper, but an acrylic coating has been already given over it. Okay, so this painting has been drawn on white page, but you can do this on black paper as well. Okay, so I'll go through the techniques which I have used in this, and it's a very easy painting. So without further ado, let's get to the tutorial.
So first of all, we are going to prepare the paper with a coat of acrylic color, and once it dries out, I have used masking tape out here to fix it to the board. Now, the first color which I am applying out here is orange, and now I am using vermilion hue. So the colors are not actually written on the body of the paints, okay, for which is, I don't know if, I think it's similar for all the soft pastels. So here you can check out the colors which I have used. This color, vermilion hue, I'm calling it vermilion hue because this color is very similar to the one which is available in the oil pastel. So there it is called vermilion hue. So here I chose to call it as a vermilion hue. But you won't be getting the name out there, but you can definitely check out the colors which will be the closest. Okay, I'm using some ochre yellow, some lemon yellow, some flesh tint. After that, I made just some dots and then pull them downwards. Okay, so the camera stopped a little bit out there, but it's no issue. When I'll go back to that section, you'll be able to know what I did. So now here I'm covering the background with black. So after reaching this stage, I realized that maybe this drawing could have been possible or could have been better. I don't know if better or maybe similar, but this drawing is possible in black paper as well. So next time I try out soft pastels, I will be definitely trying them out on a black paper. And the black cartridge paper which I generally use has a different kind of texture, so it will be interesting to see. Here I am using my Staedtler 8B extra dark pencil to give the sharp edges to the light reflections. The color which I have used out here is camel soft pastels. They are not very expensive, and I found them that when I rub it against the paper, I get lot of dust. Maybe extra soft pastels will be a better choice. So here the color which I am using is Prussian blue, which is close to actually Prussian blue. And now I am using the light blue out here. So this drawing is a lot about the playing with dust. They mix out very nicely, and the effect is very nice, I would say. But the main problem which I face, and I think everyone face, is that soft pastels can get smudge. So even while painting you have to be careful that you don't smudge out the colors. So instead of doing so much with the black, I think just a black paper would have been enough for this drawing. But I'll be able to say much precisely after I use it. Okay. So here I'm using the Prussian blue and light blue again in combination. See how I'm mixing them. The colors seem to give a very nice layer. Make sure that the lines of the buildings are straight. That will give you a more refined look, I would say. So if you are liking this video till now, make sure you subscribe to the channel, it helps a lot. So this drawing is mostly about the reflections. Okay, the better the reflections look, the better will be the quality of the drawing. However, the main touch will come when we will place the rain effect on the top, or when we will draw the rain, because of which this actual blurring is occurring. So every time I got close to the reflections, I used my 8B extra dark pencil to give it a smooth circle or a sharp look. So now here, once I'm done with the black, I decided to go over the colors once more. Okay, and I realized that going over the colors once more was very easy. See, here I'm giving a dot and then I'm giving another small dot at the bottom and then pulling it downwards. So what this gives is, this gives an impression of long distance car or a vehicle moving forward on the road. This kind of effect you can get using this reflection. And by the way, this is similar for every drawing that you do. A dot and a reflection downwards gives the impression of a moving car, and the other dots will give the impression of the street lamps. So you see, here I'm going over it again, and I'm using the pencil again to give it the sharp look. Just go over it as many times as you can, okay, until you get the desired effect. So here I'm placing some more cards, you can say. Just I added some more colors so that it looks bit colorful. Here I used my white glass marking pencil just to blend out some of the colors, and it was the feeling was okay, satisfactory, I would say. So now we will focus a little bit more on the background, like you see out here. And now we are ready to do the raindrops. See, I'm giving some crooked lines of blue. Why I'm using blue out here is that when you look through a window on the other side, the reflection that will fall on the window is of the color of the light outside. Okay, or the if you take a photograph, then what the reflection on the raindrops will be, it will be of the things which are outside that window. So here at the top you can see I did the raindrops using light blue because the sky is blue at the back, and then I am using some white for the water droplets. Here I realized that using the white pen was not possible, so I had to do the water drops using the soft pastel only, and then for the dark portions I use my Staedtler 8B extra dark pencil. So friends, this was the end of the tutorial, and if you stayed till the end, then thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell notification. Until next time, goodbye.